So, right after you signing into your TurboTax account, you will see this window, and you want to look at the top left of your screen and make sure you are clicking on My Info button. Under the year of your taxes, after that, on your info, specifically on your name, you want to click on it, and you want to tap on Revisit button. On this page, you want to click on Continue button. Again, click on Continue button. For this one, I will skip for now. Again, just scroll down and click on Continue button until you see this About Your Household page. You can adjust your filing status on TurboTax, either your marital status, your children, and so on. And then after you are done, you can just click on Continue button to save your change, and you are good to go. Your filing status should be changed by now. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.